Part of creating a healthy, safe meal for your family is making sure that your food gets hot enough when you cook it to kill bacteria that can make you or your family sick. To do this, you need a food thermometer. Color and texture are not guaranteed ways to know if your food is done. There are two types of inexpensive food thermometers for the home: stem thermometers and digital. I'll be using a stem thermometer today, which is very common. With a new thermometer and every few months after, you need to calibrate it. This is simple to do by using an ice water bath and adjusting the thermometer to 32 degrees after 30 seconds in the water. A good rule of thumb is to calibrate quarterly or before big events like holidays or other large family gatherings. Before using the thermometer, make sure it is clean. If you check the food and it's not the right temperature, always wash it before checking again. Otherwise, you might be spreading bacteria. Now that this thermometer is calibrated, I can use it to check the temperature of any food I'm cooking. With this stem thermometer, I need to insert from the tip to the dimple on the stem and allow 15 seconds for an accurate read. When using a thermometer on a cut of meat, always insert it into the thickest part of the meat. When checking the temperature of a casserole or soup, always insert it into the center of the food. The temperature you need to reach will vary depending on the type of food. To prevent foodborne illness, you need to keep your food out of the temperature danger zone, 40 to 140 degrees. By using this simple kitchen tool, you can help make sure your family's food is safe. But you want to make sure to remove as much air as possible for the best quality. Be sure you use bags labeled for freezing. These are heavier than food storage bags. If you have something like a soup or casserole you would like to save, then some plastic or glass containers or freezer bags work well. No matter which method you use, make sure you label and date all your leftovers and use them within 3 or 4 months.